Hey guys, Mike Siciliano here, and you are consuming another episode of Self Boss Marketing Tips. Today's episode, I think, will add a lot of value to new marketers or new business owners. We are going to talk about the marketing funnel. What is a marketing funnel, and how can you maximize the efficiency of your advertising campaign utilizing the funnel itself? So, let's jump right in. The marketing funnel is shaped exactly as you would expect. It is a funnel. So here's our beautiful funnel, and we'll title this marketing funnel. All right, so we have our marketing funnel. There's three parts to a marketing funnel. The first part is known as the top of the funnel, and it's often abbreviated as ToFu. So here we have your ToFu. The middle of the funnel is the next piece, and it's known as MoFu. So let's go ahead and mark this up. And then the bottom of the funnel is known as, you guessed it, BoFu. So the first thing that you look at when creating any sort of marketing campaign, whether it's traditional or digital, is what piece of the funnel are you targeting? An excellent marketing campaign actually utilizes all three pieces of the marketing funnel to maximize the efficiency of the campaign's spend. So the top of the funnel, it's usually less per click or per impression to target users at the top of the funnel. These users have a wide variety of interests. So they have wide interests that may or may not be exactly targeted to your products or services. But because it's less expensive to target these users, it can increase campaign efficiency to funnel users in from the top and work them down to the bottom. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So the middle of the funnel, these are users who have seen your brand before. They probably have seen your brand before, or they're in market for your products or services already. And these particular users, they are a little bit more expensive to target, whether it's impression-based or click-based. So we'll say that these guys are in market or familiar with your brand. Okay. And lastly is the bottom of the funnel. Now, these are the most expensive users to target if you are starting a campaign that is going to target bottom of the funnel users. So a top of the funnel user, you may spend 40 cents per click. A bottom of the funnel user, you may be spending upwards of $5, $10, $20, $30, depending on your industry, per click. So these bottom of the funnel users, they are ready to purchase. They are the most likely to purchase your products or services out of all of the users in your targeting pool. So they are ready to purchase. So these users at the bottom, they have a decision to make now. It's either going to be your brand or someone else's brand. So the campaign's ad copy, the creative, the offer, everything matters in this bottom of the funnel campaign because we are spending so much to drive this user into your website. Now, a really cool tactic that a lot of marketers use, they'll run what's called an engagement campaign. And a lot of my clients know what I'm talking about here. The engagement campaign can be an article. It can be an interesting fact. It can be something relating to your products or services that isn't quite selling the product or service to the user. So the users that interact with this article or with this questionnaire or whatever this top of the funnel campaign might be, we are going to retarget with the middle of the funnel campaign because now we know that they're in the market or they are hyper interested in whatever you have to offer. And it is much less to acquire this user running an engagement campaign than it is if we were going to run a conversion campaign that's at the bottom of the funnel. So once we have these users and we retarget them with the middle of the funnel campaign, now we're talking about very, very efficient spend based on the cost of your goods, of course, and based on the industry average cost per impression or per click. We are going to be running a highly efficient campaign. Now, these users, they might make their way to your website, this middle of the funnel campaign. They may make their way to your website. And at that point, that is where we are going to run a highly targeted bottom of the funnel campaign that's going to be based on the actions they took while they were on your website. So if this user added something to the cart, but didn't start the checkout process, you have to think, why did that user leave? Was the discount not enough? Did they want to go shop around more at other stores? Did you not have a particular product that they wanted, so they were hesitant in pulling the trigger and giving you their money? Whatever it might be, it's up to you to identify and retarget users based on their actions to get them back to the website to make the purchase. Did a user go on a particular page? Did they view a t-shirt page? Did they view an accessory page? Whatever it might be, these ads need to be tailored to the action that they took on your website, because we need the conversion rate for any bottom of the funnel campaign, whether it's retargeted or whether it is strictly a traffic conversion based campaign. It's very expensive to bring these users back to your website, so we need to make sure that we're converting them. So that's it, guys. The marketing funnel is very simple. The idea is to move users from the top who are interested in products or services similar to yours, into the middle of the funnel where they actually engage with your brand. They're on your website. They may or may not make a purchase. And then hitting them again with the bottom of the funnel campaign. This one's geared around conversion. It needs to have a high conversion rate. Otherwise, you're going to overspend per conversion. So that's what the marketing funnel is used for. It helps maximize the efficiency of your marketing spend. And it takes a lot of testing to get this right. So if you need help in building a campaign that moves users down the funnel to maximize the efficiency of your spend, contact haystackmarketing.com. We're happy to help. We could set up a phone consultation. The marketing funnel can be used on a wide variety of platforms, whether it's going to be on social media, whether it's a search engine based campaign, whether it's an email campaign, whatever it might be, the marketing funnel comes into play. And you can waste a lot of marketing dollars if you're not doing it correctly and if you're not testing smart. So thanks for watching Self Boss Marketing Tips today. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, interact with the channel. I love answering questions. I hope that I added some value to you and your business or to you and your marketing plan. Thanks a bunch for watching, guys.